might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy.
Hey guys, it's Missy Lynn. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, thank you for stopping by. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed today's upload. If you do, stick around, look at some other videos, and then hit the subscribe button. Join the Missy Lynn family. You know, press that notification bell, that way you never miss another upload, and come rock with us. And for my OG followers, listen, if you have not been seeing my uploads, go ahead and pause this, sis. Unsubscribe and then resubscribe and then hit that notification bell as well, because I know sometimes YouTube kind of does this funky thing where they're not showing followers, subscribers, new uploads, and I just uploaded a few different videos and a lot of people haven't seen it. So today's video is definitely spring inspired. Although we are stuck in the house and we can't really enjoy the outdoors, and most of us just been looking like bums. I know for me, like I was pretty excited to actually get dressed and dolled up today, because I have literally been walking around looking like who lost I found for the past like 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Like, ciao. So Savage X Fenty sent me a lot of goodies from their spring collection, and guys, I'm super excited. This came right on time because for me, whether you're quarantining with bae, if you're quarantining by yourself, it's really easy, especially since we're stuck in the house and we can't do nothing. It's really easy to just get really lazy and not even want to do anything, barely want to shower, barely want to shave your legs, barely want to put on makeup, barely want to cut your hair. Like, now if you want to take advantage of all of the bomb deals that they actually have going on right now, go to the website, click the link beneath this video, and become an extra VIP member. Right now you can get 2 bras for $29 and the undies are like $15. If you sign up to be an extra VIP member, you get 50% off of your first purchase. You get 25% off of every style if it's not on sale. It's free shipping for any orders that's $49 or more. You'll get notified first whenever the new pieces drop. You'll also be the first to know about the curated, collaborated projects that are on the site. Child, listen, there's no commitment to buy if you do sign up. Like I said, it is a monthly subscription, but you don't have to buy every month, and there's no minimum dollar amount that you have to actually buy whenever you do purchase. So as long as you place an order, you place an order. But if you choose not to buy, you know, that month, then you can just skip the month and you won't get charged. No strings attached. There's a 30-day return policy. So if you order something and it doesn't fit, you can send it back and they'll send you out a new size. So I personally feel like right now is like the perfect time to sign up to be an extra VIP member. Look cute while you're in the house, okay? Just go ahead and do away with the big pants and the grandma shirts and stuff, and get you some cute spring wear. Let's just get in the mood, okay? So I'm gonna go through everything that I received, and I'm gonna try it on and show you guys how it fits. Okay, so the first set that I'm really excited about are these little like loungewear sets. I call them loungewear because it's not exactly lingerie to me, but it still gives off sexy vibes, but you can still like wear it around the house and look cute. It can definitely be lingerie in my opinion if you don't wear anything underneath. But child, check this out. Okay, so this is the Lacy Not Racy Cami. It's really cute, very baby dollish. I love the 2 layers that it has, because if you don't want to wear anything, it doesn't expose you as much, you know. And then we have the little mesh shorts right here, the Lacy Not Racy mesh shorts, and it looks so amazing on, and it's so comfortable. I paired it with the Lacy Not Racy Brazilian shorts, and these are the little underwears that go underneath. And literally, if you pair all 3 together, you have something really cute to put on around the house after you get out of the shower. You can do your chores, you know, while you're around the house, Netflix and chill. Don't be so quarantined but quarantine. Try not to look cute but still cute. for bae or for you, however you want to do it. And then I have the exact same set in this lemongrass green neon. Love it. Perfect for spring. Shorts, you know, show a little thigh, show a little booty meat if you need to. You know, you need something done around the house from bae. Just put this on. Put it on and see if you don't be Mr. Handyman. And then I also have the black, okay? For me, I like to be very comfortable if I'm just gonna be chilling in the house. Even to go to sleep, I want something very lightweight and airy. Something that I can still feel good in day or night. Something that's gonna let my skin breathe. Something that'll still be like, come here boy, come get a taste. Or something that's gonna be like, I ain't got no man, but I still look cute. Okay, this next set I'm super excited about. It is the blue Twinkle watercolor set. And this bra right here, this is the balconette bra. It just hugs the boobies, just perks them up a bit. And then I have the cheeky underwear to match. This is just screaming spring vibes. It did look a little childish in person at first, but like after I tried everything on, I was just like, I don't have any like real colorful lingerie, like, you know, undergarment pieces. So I wouldn't mind just to, you know, have this on a Sunday and feel real cute while I'm cleaning up. I know I'm not the only one that like clean up in bra and panties, right? Am I? So the next set is the black Caviar set. Another mesh two-piece set. Well, it's not two-piece, it comes individually, but you can pair them together. This is the mesh cami. Told you guys I'm all about comfort. It comes with the matching shorts. Really cute. Got your thighs out. Now you can do it just like this if you want to look cute but not too cute. Not too sexy for bae, but you know, you just be a little risky. Just a little risky. A little naughty. You know, you could do that, or you can respect yourself and be a respectable woman and put a bra underneath. Or if you're by yourself just chilling, you could be in your bra with the mesh shorts. However you want to do it. But I'm all about sets, guys. Like, and it makes it so easy. Like when you're traveling and, you know, staying in hotels or whatever, it depends if you're by yourself or not. It makes it so much easier. Okay, so the next set is the metallic stars, and this is the underline bra. It's mesh, has an underwire, just so it can, you know, lift the boobie up underneath, but still give you that nice airy feeling, free feeling at the top. Really cute. And then the matching cheeky underwear. Super cute, guys. Super cute. Okay, so the next set is the Hlne lace bra and panties set. I feel like all of their bras are just so comfy. Like it has just the right amount of padding, and it's not that hard padding. It's like that flexible, like I'm gonna give you some little protection, you know, I'm gonna lift you up, but it's still gonna be comfortable. The underwire is not uncomfortable. And like the craftsmanship of this is amazing. So I have the Hlne push-up bra in 32C. All of my bras are 32C. And then I have the Hlne lace thongs, high waist thongs. Child, listen, I'm about to slay. I'm about to quarantine slay. Okay, the next item is this vintage slip here. And it's a cute little, you know, baby doll slip. It's in the color peach. Yeah, this is the peach one. I absolutely love the detailing. I love how it has a lace trim all around the bottom, and then it like kind of goes high, has like a high V in the back. I like this, super cute. Mesh, little polka dot pattern. And then the bra is lacy at the top and then an underwire at the bottom. So it's definitely something that is sexy and cute. Keep you comfortable. Throw a nice little robe on with it. You know, your little crotchless panties. Okay, and then we have this bralette. This is like a tangerine peachy color. I don't know the exact color for it, but I will definitely list it down below, and you can click my link as well in the description box and it'll take you to all of the pieces that I'm talking about. I love it. Lacy detailing. It has the polka dots right here in the mesh. Really cute. There's no underwire or wires at all, so it's definitely something that is meant to just be comfy. And then I have the lace thongs to go with it. And then lastly, we have this cotton candy pink lace teddy. It is an all-in-one, so it doesn't have, you know, the snaps if you got to go to the bathroom. So to me, being that you can't just go to the bathroom, I mean, you can slide it to the side, but this is definitely something that you want to parade around and for your boo thing. I also forgot this piece here. This is the vintage corset, very similar to the slip. I'm having a little trouble with buttoning it up, so I'm gonna have to get some help or go up a size. Prance around the house type of lingerie, or I could even see myself wearing this as a cute top with some jeans and some like rose gold heels, or like maybe like the clear strappy heels with like a little blush handbag, because for me you can't see my areola, so I could like still get away with wearing it as a cute top, like a little corset. But baby, I would need some help buttoning this. Whew. This could actually be streetwear, a really cute top. So that is it for my Savage X Fenty haul. I hope you found some motivation to look cute even though we are quarantined. Just because we have to do social distancing don't mean that we can't look cute while doing it. So go ahead and click the link beneath this video in the description box if you would like to get 50% off of your first order, 2 for $29 bras and $15 panties, free shipping on orders $49 or more. And guess what, guys? You also get 25% off of every other style. So what you waiting for? Go ahead and become a Savage, hunty. Don't be afraid to become a Savage Extra VIP member. That way you get all of the perks.